Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to make a meeting private in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook login page, and let me log in my account first. So just click sign in, enter the email, and then my password. So here is my Outlook account. And then from here, we will go to the calendar tab. So just click calendar right here on the sidebar, and then we can just turn this off. And then right here, so for example, if you are using a shared calendar, so that means that you are sharing a calendar with another person, so you both have the same calendar, and then you can all see all of the appointments or events that you put in that calendar. So you can use the private feature here in Outlook so that you can still use the same calendar, but the other person won't be able to see your meetings or your events. So in order to do that, you can go ahead and create a event. So for example, I'll create one right here, and then we will maximize this window. So let's click this arrow. So we will have this window right here. And then in order to make this meeting private, you can just click the private icon right here. And then you can go ahead and name your event. So for example, I will have like a private meeting with client, and then your attendees. If you have your attendees right here, you can go ahead and add them. And then the location, for example, is to be confirmed. And then you can just add your description right here. And then you can go ahead and click save if you are finished adding the details to your calendar. And then as you can see, this event will have this lock icon right here. So that means you are the only one who can see this event. So for example, I'll create another event right here and then click save. As you can see, there isn't any private feature right here. There isn't any lock icon. So that means this is a public event. So anyone that you have shared this calendar can see this. But this one is private. So no one can see this except for you. And then if you have this event as well, you will also change your status to busy on that specific time. So that is it. That is how we make a meeting private and Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.